Hey guys, I'm Venkatesh and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, what's up? In the end of today's video, you will learn the first step of forming a cross in a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. In the previous video, we saw the basics of cube, including how to hold the cube to solve your cube faster. Check out that video. Okay, now let's get started. Okay guys, now the cube is shuffled. The first step to form a cross is to search for the white center. Here we have it. Now you should replace these 4 edges with white edges. Fortunately, we have one edge already placed here. So now let's search for other 3 edges. Here we have one edge. Here we have one, and here. Now we have formed the white cross, but its edges should be matching with its adjacent centers. For that, we should apply some algorithms. There are 2 cases after this step. First one, 2 adjacent edges matched and other 2 adjacent edges unmatched. For that, the formula is R, U, R prime, U prime, R. For that, you should keep one unmatched piece facing right side and other unmatched piece facing back side and use the formula R, U, R prime, U prime, R. Now we have got all these 4 edges matched with the center. This is the first case. Second case is 2 opposite matched pieces and 2 opposite unmatched edges. For that, the formula is R2, L2, U2, R2, L2. R2 is nothing but repeating R twice. Yeah, let's get started. For that, you should keep your one unmatched piece facing you and other facing backwards. R2, L2, U2, R2, L2. Now we have got a white cross. This edge is matched, this one is matched, this one is matched, and even this one is matched. Now we have completed our first step of solving a Rubik's Cube by forming a cross. In the next video, I will be solving the first layer. If you find this video easier, like the video. If you have any doubts, mention in the comment section below. Share the video and don't forget to subscribe Venerable Cuber. Thank you.